that means there's a big problem. Run! What's up, YouTube? It's Aaron and Todd. Welcome back to another vlog where we show you that by leveraging travel, credit card, miles, points, and rewards, you too can travel the world on the cheap and sometimes free. So if you have a passion for travel and don't want to spend a pile of money to do it, sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog. Or you can sit up and be tense. The choice is entirely yours, but the pleasure of bringing you this awesome content, it is most certainly ours. So we're here at the CVS on Wards Road getting a rapid antigen test since we're fully vaccinated. Aaron's in there now, I just went, so we're going on a cruise. We are good to get on the ship. I mean, you'd think we were going on a safari. All right, so just leaving the house. Where are we going? Greensboro. And what are we doing in Greensboro? Getting on an airplane. And where's the plane going? Charlotte. And then where's that? And then what are we doing in Charlotte?
Catching another airplane.
And where's that airplane going? Miami! What are we doing in Miami?
Sleeping the night in a hotel.
And what are we gonna do when we wake up the next day?
Brush our teeth.
And then what?
Poop.
Oh my gosh. Speed it up. Get on a boat.
Big one.
Oh yeah. All right, so we're parked. So we're at the Greensboro airport. We're checking in for our flight. All these bags. Oh, I wasn't gonna bring this hat. I guess I'm bringing it now.
May I have your attention, please? This area is for loading and unloading only.
Made it through security. Hey, I got stopped for a random explosive test. It's his first time doing pre-check, so I gotta make sure he didn't make no bombs.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you see,
Made it to Charlotte. I'm hungry. Okay. Miami. He loves his duty-free. Look, La Caretta.
This is the whole reason why we actually came here. We just came to get some La Curata. We'll be back tomorrow to actually get it, and then we're going home.
True story. So we're trying to make our way to baggage claim, and then we gotta find an Uber, get to the hotel. So we have a room, should be overlooking the cruise port. It's like 11:30, but we're here, so 12 hours to go. Take the bag. Ooh, she hooked us up. So we're down here walking Bayside. Our hotel's over there, but we want to see what is this red thing. What is this red building? Okay guys, we're here at the cruise port in Miami. Right behind us is the Carnival Sunrise. We've got another Carnival ship down there.
Radiant.
The Radiance. And then over here is Norwegian, I think, because it looks like they've got...
Disney. It looks like we can handle all this stuff.
Oh.
That's Disney.
Oh, it's a Disney ship. Oh, but we've got our boarding pass, our negative COVID test, our passport. They're in here. We checked in with the porter, so our bags are over there. Gave him a $10 tip. And yeah, we're not supposed to be here until 11 o'clock, but he said we can check in, so we're gonna give it a go. It's cruise day, y'all. That's gonna be fun. Okay, so we're through security. We're sitting here in the boarding area. what would you say was the hardest or the easiest thing about that process?
We got here early, so that helped.
The Uber. So if you wait until like your boarding time to arrive, the price of the Uber was like triple what it was. If we took the Uber at the time of our boarding, then it would have been like $48 or something. So we came early. It was like $12. We get here. It's a slew of people here. We checked in. Like Aaron said, we gave our bags to the porter. We're just waiting to get on the ship. I'm excited.
The boarding category or boarding zone you are assigned to use for boarding. We will begin boarding our suitcase followed by Zone A1.
Oh, it is a Disney ship. Oh, it's hot. Here we go. Aaron's getting on the ship.
What are you doing? Okay. It's not getting tore up.
Ah, the doors. Okay, so here we are. We're on the deck. We have pitchers of things to drink. South Beach, Intercoastal, Fisher Island, and then there is downtown Miami. So we're just waiting for sail away to start. We're out here on the Lido, having a good time. Suitcases are here.
Fisher.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Welcome. Ain't this cute?
We got a bottle of water. $3.95.
Yeah, for $3.95. Oh.
TV.
Ciao for now, Miami, Aaron and Michael. There's our case of water. Our cute little bed. Little thing. But the most important part,
Our balcony.
we are on the port side. Hi, red shirt! Ooh. Let's get our bags in. Bathroom. Shower. Closets.
How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing great, man. How the people doing?
They told us it was this size.
Oh, honey, our suitcase is broken.
They broke it? They broke our fucking suitcase. What do we do about that?
Nothing. There is nothing we can do. We buy a new suitcase. Okay, future editing Todd here. So let me clarify what happened here. We gave our check bag to the porter. The porter gave it to Carnival. So somewhere in the transition between the porter and getting it on the ship to Carnival, somehow the bag got dropped and the wheel got broke. The wheel got broke. The wheel was broken. Anyway, I took it down to guest services. I spoke to a really nice guy and they made every effort to repair or replace the suitcase. So this is in no way any shade against Carnival, because here's what they offered to do. The first option that Carnival provided us with was to see if there was a bag in the lost and found that we could just swap into another suitcase. There was no other bag in lost and found, so that wasn't going to work. The second option was they were going to pay $50 towards getting it repaired. It's an injection molded suitcase. There is no repair, right? So that's out. And the third option was our next port of call was Nassau. And so they said, we will go on shore and purchase you another suitcase that's equal in size. The problem was it was a Sunday and the majority of the places were closed. It was usable. It wasn't like our stuff was gonna fall out of it. It was just the wheel was broken. They gave me a case number. We filed a claim, and honestly, I missed the deadline to do anything about the $50. It was like 65 COVID. It was like $65 at TJ Maxx. So I'm like, okay, you know, I kind of dropped the ball on this one and I forgot to file the claim within the deadline. So I just wanted to go on record to say, yes, Carnival admitted that it was their fault. And yes, they made every effort to make the situation right. Just the circumstances were, there was no bag in the lost and found. There was no fix to it, so I couldn't have it repaired. And there was no shops open to buy a new suitcase when we got to the next port of call. So I've got to really give it to Carnival. They stepped up, they owned up to it, and they tried to fix the situation. So I hope the title wasn't too clickbaity. They admitted fault for something that they did. They broke our stuff, but all good. That means there's a big problem. Run! So it's the sail away party. We're on the Lido deck. We've got drinks. We've got the party going on here. Everybody's carrying on, dancing.